for an AI assistant to respond accurately to customers. It needs to understand your business, your products, and the information customers often ask about. With Shilte AI, businesses can easily train their AI assistant using documents, website data, and product information. Then deploy the chatbot directly on their website in just a few steps. Let's see how this works.
Step 1. Training the AI with the knowledge base. Once you sign into your account and land on your industry-specific dashboard, in this case the e-commerce dashboard, navigate to Knowledge Base on the left side menu. This opens the knowledge base, where you can train your AI agent with business knowledge. Here you will see two main training options. The first option is Document Training. This allows you to upload important files such as company profiles, policies, product catalogs, and frequently asked questions. Simply drag and drop your files into the upload area, or click Upload Documents to browse and select files from your computer. Once uploaded, the AI assistant analyzes the documents and learns how to answer customer questions based on that information. The second option is Website Sync, powered by Shilte WebSync. This feature allows the AI assistant to automatically learn from your live website content. By clicking Start Intelligence Sync, Shilte AI scans your website pages and synchronizes product and business information into the AI knowledge base. This ensures your AI assistant always has up-to-date information from your website. Step 2. Customizing your website chat widget. Once your AI has been trained, the next step is to deploy it on your website. From the dashboard sidebar, navigate to Web Widget. This opens the Web Widget Customization panel. Here, businesses can personalize the chatbot to match their brand identity. You can upload your business logo, add your business name, and choose your primary brand color. Next, you can configure the greeting message that customers will see when they open the chat widget. For example, a greeting might say, "Hello, welcome. This is your favorite destination for all online products." You can also select an AI persona template, such as the e-commerce assistant, which is designed to help customers with product questions, orders, and recommendations. Businesses with advanced subscriptions also have the option to remove Shilte branding for a fully white-labeled experience. On the right side of the page, you will see a live preview of how the chatbot will appear to customers on your website. Step 3. Deploying the chatbot on your website. Once your widget customization is complete, the next step is deployment. Scroll down to the Deployment and Testing section. Here, you will see a code snippet that needs to be added to your website. Simply copy the code and paste it into the body tag of your website. To preview the chatbot before going live, you can also open the full-page preview. This allows you to see the widget exactly as it will appear on your website. When the preview loads, you will notice the chat bubble appearing at the bottom right corner of the page. This is the live preview of your AI chatbot. You can test the chatbot by sending a sample message or making a customer inquiry. The AI will respond based on the information it learned from your uploaded documents, website sync, and knowledge-based training.
With Shilte AI, businesses can train their AI assistant using real business information, customize the chatbot to match their brand, and deploy it on their website in minutes. This allows companies to automate customer support, capture leads, and assist customers instantly, all powered by AI.